Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Motorola keypad mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to decrease brightness in Motorola keypad mobile. Friends, you want to decrease brightness in your Motorola keypad mobile. So friends, now let's see how to decrease brightness one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, in your Motorola keypad mobile, how to decrease brightness. First of all, tap here menu button, select your phone's setting icon we will select, tap here ok button. Profile setting, welcome note setting, you can use phone setting you want to use, so you can use display setting you want to use, so you can use your display setting. Call setting you can use. So friends, first of all we will select here display setting. After select display setting, tap here ok button. Last option friends, LCD backlight setting we will select here. Brightness setting we will select, and left button friends, tap at the left button, brightness will decrease in your Motorola keypad mobile, and you can decrease brightness. Ok button, tap here, brightness will decrease. Ok option, tap here, you can see friends your phone brightness will decrease. So like that friends, you want to decrease your Motorola keypad mobile brightness. So friends, you can decrease brightness, you can use brightness setting in your Motorola keypad mobile. Select your display setting. First of all, you can use wallpaper setting. Show date and time on lock screen setting, you don't want to show date and time on your lock screen, so you can off and you can on. Theme setting, you want to select your theme, so you can select theme, you can set theme, you can change theme in your Motorola keypad mobile. LCD backlight setting, brightness setting, you can increase and you can decrease in your Motorola keypad mobile. Friends, again if you tap here right button, so friends your brightness will increase, and left button you can decrease your Motorola keypad mobile brightness. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to decrease brightness in Motorola keypad mobile. Thanks for watching the video. Do you have any doubt, have any problem in your Motorola keypad mobile setting? So friends, now let's see how to use. Also friends, we will talk about next video, and you can use and you can set your brightness setting in Motorola keypad mobile. Bye.